What up, and welcome back to another Never Broken Auto video. Like I said in the past two videos, I have another Miata, but this one actually blew up because of me. I was just beating the shit out of it and it blew up. It has a little bit of a rod knock. So I am planning on pulling the motor today and basically disassembling it, checking out the oil pan, checking out what happened to the rods, things like that. If I can save the bottom end and just put some new bearings in it, that's what I'm gonna do. Now I'll just drop it back in, maybe a bit refreshed, not really like too much. I don't want to take the whole car apart, but I could probably have this whole motor resealed in a few days. I have a good amount of the gaskets, things like that. I have a spare head gasket, all that kind of goodness, you know what I'm saying? So now I'm just gonna first pull it, inspect it, and then go from there. I did originally plan on buying a different motor for it and just swapping it out and possibly fixing this one. However, it is so hard to find a BP4W in Arizona, so we're gonna pull this one out and we're gonna make it work. Hopefully it can come out and have no issues with some new bearings. So I'm gonna get this hood off first, and then I'll take off. I'm gonna get the hood off first. I'm gonna get the car in the air. I'll disconnect the battery, remove all the fluids, and then I'm just gonna start disconnecting everything that is connecting the motor to the chassis. So sensors, air conditioning, shit, I don't even know what else there may be. PPF, transmission, things like that. I'm gonna pull the trans and the engine all at once. I've done it one time prior and I dropped it in like that, so I'm just gonna do it like that, and yeah, we'll get it going. Also, I'm gonna have to remove all the center console stuff just so I can unbolt that stuff under there. That's not too hard, but I'm just gonna stop talking though and get to it. Cooper is pulling up in the next, I don't know, 30 minutes or so, and me and him are gonna crank this shit out today. The first time I ever pulled the motor, it took me like 2 hours to do by myself, so see how fast we can do it on this one. I'm excited, a bit nervous, but we're gonna get this shit done and we're gonna have it back on the road soon, hopefully soon. I'm gonna say, let's say less than a month. It is September 13th today, so October 13th, this car will be running again. And I'm promising that, so let's fucking get to it. All right, for the hood, it's 14 mils. Got that bitch. Alright. Oh shit. Next order of operations is gonna be the center console and the shifter. I'm gonna pull all this out, so this is just, I'm good there. I don't have to remove anything else in the interior. Car will go up, battery comes out, and then I'm gonna start removing all the shits in here. It's honestly weird sitting in this car and it's like not working. This thing was honestly a nice find. It was crashed. This seat is ripped, but it's fun. Oh, Cooper's here. But it's just cool. It's just weird sitting in here when it's not working. Like, I miss driving this car like crazy. But my boy Cooper here. What up, man?
Got the video going?
Yeah, we're fucking.
Yes, sir.
Got a fucking YouTube video going. Shifter's removed, car is in the air. We're getting the radiator drained, oil drained, and then trans drained. And then we have to disconnect AC, radiator, sensors, and then trans back, and we're fucking ready to go. You remove the lower thing first, and then you pull off the cap, and then it'll drain pretty quickly. I got a nice little like remover screw, so it just comes out pretty quick. Let that drain. There's obviously still gonna be some water like in the lines, so just be cautious of that when you go to pull them off. And then while Cooper's getting the hoses, I'm gonna get the fucking oil out. It's just a 14 mil right there, so plop that on her. At least I think it's a 14. Alright, I don't know why the fuck my drain bolt is so big. I don't remember it being so big, but it's a 17. So break it loose, drain the oil. Alright, note to self, don't put your impact or don't put the drain bolt on with impact because this shit's way too tight. I might have, I don't know. Might have. But she Gucci now.
Oh, it should come out way further.
Hold on, let me reposition so I can get a knife. Oh, alright, got it. Ooh, that shit's black as fuck. It don't look bad though. There's not shavings on it. I might have saved the motor at like the right time, to be honest.
Here, I'm gonna pull the radiator.
Oh, you're good. Bro, it didn't look like there was much oil in it. That's already like almost done draining. Oh shit.
My bad.
You're good.
Splish splash.
Splishy splash.
Oh shit.
What the fuck, bro? What just happened?
I just dropped it, bro.
Jesus. Next up is this. We're gonna drain this one. And then we're gonna work on the PPF and diff bolts. Get the PPF out. Get the trans ready to come out. And the engine too. But let's get to it. Oh, this is a 22, I think. 24. Well, that drains. We're gonna get the rest of the stuff disconnected in the bay, and then we're gonna work back to front and then pull it out.
All the gayness.
Whoa. Oh yeah, and I smell like transes. If you get what I'm saying. So I know for a fact when we put the car in, it's gonna run a lot better because we're gonna fix shit like fucking this.
Oh god. And then look at this one over here. Oh shit.
There was another fuck sensor. Oh, the TPMS. I just taped it up, but two of the wires were literally, look right here. It's right here. Two of the wires are literally ripped out of the TPMS sensor.
Oh yeah.
So I gotta fix that as well. I didn't notice that, but easy fix to be honest. Just gotta wire in another plug. Alright, down here you need to disconnect this plug, this reverse lockout, I'm pretty sure, and then these ones. I'm just taking a video also so I remember how this goes. Long one goes to the black one, and then they're twisted this way looking up. No. Fuck no. And then it's twisted this way and it plugs into these two like that. So remove those, remove this, that's a 10 mil. And then we're gonna attack the diff. This, we're gonna remove the PPF. I'm probably gonna have to remove this fucking exhaust. But we will see. This thing is pretty rusty, so I hope I don't need to remove it, but we'll see. Alright, got the exhaust pulled out. That was kind of dumb, but wiring harness is also removed. We're gonna go attack these bolts back here on the PPF, and there on the PPF. We'll then remove the PPF out, and then it'll be drive shaft, and then basically motor mounts, take her out. We're gonna have to disconnect the AC lines and shit too, so we should probably do that right now. All right, me and Cooper had to go for a little lunch. Not even lunch.
We didn't even go to get lunch.
We didn't even go to get lunch. We just went to go get these new powder coated wheels for this customer real quick. I just slapped them on there, and then I'm about to deliver this, and then we're gonna pull this out. We just gotta disconnect the fuel lines, drive shaft.
Can't you just pull this single one?
Yeah, probably.
And be fine?
Yeah.
Because I'm pretty sure it runs in here, loops around.
Yep.
Because if this looked, bro, that looks like a pressure regulator.
Yeah, we'll just pop that off, get a little cut for you. All right, but I'm gonna go deliver this to the custy, And then, yeah, fucking get her done. All right, pretty much got everything up here removed. Now it's time for the drive shaft. Those are 14s, I'm pretty sure. Remove that, and then engine mounts. And when we do engine mounts, we're gonna have the hoist already attached to it. Here and here, and we'll be Gucci. Let's get a little tension on this fucking motor here, and we're gonna blast off these motor mounts. Low key, I got. Damn, that shit's in there. Dude, it's like pulling it. That's not good.
It's like pulling the car off the
Well, is it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Really off the jack.
Oh.
That shit's gonna pop down when you do the motor mounts.
All right. It's a semi coming out. We're just making sure, going slow. And shit keeps leaking out of places, so it's out. It's just hanging. I have to pull this off the back of the trans, and everything else looks to be disconnected, so we'll just watch as we pull it out. And she's fucking out, buddy. How do you feel?
Bro, I know how to pull the engine out of my car.
It's pretty easy.
We're about to pull the engine out of my car next.
It's pretty easy. So I'm gonna pull this out. I'll probably power wash it and shit later tonight. Refresh the engine bay, make everything look nice first.
Look at that, bro.
Yeah, pretty dirty. Motor's out. It's just chilling right here against the firewall. I'm just looking at it. But it's out. I gotta make like a little stand for it somehow. I'm just gonna leave it how it is, like right now. So I might have to get some wood, make a little stand. I have these bricks, so, or whatever those things are. So I'm gonna get her done. All right, motor's out. She's chilling, lawn ornament style. I'm gonna cover up all holes, all the shit. Honestly, I might pull off this, but I'll probably leave it on while I wash it. And I'm gonna give this thing a clean. Hell yeah, dude. Thank you, Cooper, for your help.
No,
My fucking boy.
Miata techs, baby.
I know.
Hit us up for any work on any Miatas. We got
NAs, MBs, no NCs, maybe NDs.
you. We'll do body work and wraps and tint on NDs.
You can do body work, why me? I don't do the body work.
We'll do body kits.
Body kits for sure, I do that. But she's a little grody doty. Hell yeah. Man, what is that?
It's fucking, it's
Years,
chocolate powder from the
years
bottom
of
the
dirt. Holy.
It's the chocolate milk Nesquik powder from the bottom of the
Jesus.
engine.
Well, that's crazy. I just had a dude pull up just out of nowhere. He stopped and gave me some information about a NB parts car that's fully there. Quarter smashed in. It has the drivetrain and everything though, with a hard top for dirt cheap. So I might be picking up another car, but we're gonna get this together. And yeah, I'm gonna put it back on the ground and put her back over there. I literally just had a cop drove by. It was kind of weird. I've never had a cop just stop right in front of my house like that. But yeah. It's a bit darker out, but car's back on the ground. Motor's still chilling. I'm just cleaning up the garage for my mom. And I'm gonna put this behind the gate over there. I will definitely put the hood back on as well, just so that's all covered. But yeah, I'm gonna hopefully get this exhaust off, or at least from here down I'll have it off, and then I'll be able to do what I want with the cat and stuff. So I'm gonna let these soak because they look rusty as all hell. So I'm gonna let these soak. All right, got the lower manifold or lower exhaust to the cat off. So now the lowest thing on the car is now the pan. I gotta make a little jig or something to hold it up, make it flat. I have a little board that I'm gonna kind of stand it on, but we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna set it down over here in the corner of the garage. All right, big moment right here, boys. Completely off the stand. Sheesh! Or off the hoist. She's chilling. Motor is out. Basically just have to pull the clutch or pull the trans. I'm gonna do a clutch. I'm gonna make a whole parts list for this car. But I'm gonna end the video here. I'm ready to go take a shower. But I'm gonna make a parts list for this car. If you guys wanna see anything specifically on this car, let me know. I honestly think this car is gonna be like a budget build, or I might sell it. I honestly have no clue yet. But nonetheless, I have to get it running to sell it, or at least somebody will hopefully try and buy it if it's running. But if not, I might just make it a little street drift car. It had AC, it had power steering. I don't know, it was a great car. I miss driving it, so I don't know. Just let me know. Like, comment, subscribe. If you guys have any questions, put them in the comments. Appreciate you guys watching. See you guys in the next one. Later.
I can feel you all around me.